In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website in Hostinger, specifically focusing on files and databases. Whether you're a novice or seasoned webmaster, these steps will guide you through a smooth transition to hosting your website with Hostinger. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all the features we'll cover. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page for the Websites option. Clicking here will direct you to a page displaying all your current website projects. Now, let's dive into your website's dashboard. By selecting Dashboard, you can manage various aspects of your website. Here you'll find options related to site files, databases, and more, giving you the control you need to efficiently manage your website. Next, you'll need to click on Files. This section is where you can manage all the files associated with your website. After that, you'll want to choose File Manager. This tool is essential for uploading, organizing, and managing the files necessary for your website's operation. Within the File Manager, focus on files specific to the website you're working on, ensuring changes you're making won't affect other projects you may have under the same account. Select File Upload to start the process of uploading your website files. This action initiates the sequence that gets your local website files onto the server. Then choose Insert Drive File. This allows you to pinpoint the exact files you need to upload from your local device. Next, click Upload to begin transferring your files into the Hostinger environment. This step is crucial as it places your web content online, making it accessible to the intended audience. After uploading the files, it's time to look at the databases by navigating to the Databases section from your dashboard. Click on Management to handle database-specific tasks. Here, databases can be created, user privileges can be set, and various database management tasks can be executed. The last crucial step in your Hostinger setup involves creating a new MySQL database and database user. This ensures your website can store various data points like user information, posts, or products if you're running, say, a blog or an online store. Clicking on Create a new MySQL database and database user will start this process. You'll set up a database to associate with your site, often needing to create users for access. And there you have it. Follow these steps meticulously to successfully upload your website to Hostinger, ensuring both the files and database are properly set up. This will make your website fully functional and ready for visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!